So hello guys, this is Shubham Bhardwaj. Welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel. So guys, today video is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn about how to create email templates. Not exactly email templates, but how to customize those email templates. Like as there is a lot of videos where you see how to create email templates, but not exactly how to customize it. So today I am going to create a email template and then customize it. I am creating it in classic email templates, not in Lightning, because there is a reason I am creating another video on auto response rules. You are not able to use Lightning email templates, so that's the reason I am using classic email templates here. So without wasting any time, let's see how to create templates in classic. First of all, before moving ahead to a email template, you have to create your own letterhead for it. So let's create a letterhead. So simply you have to move to quick file and type letterhead here. So as you see classic letterheads here, click on it. After that it simply shows like click next if you want to create letterheads. And basically what are letterheads? It's a customizable part of your email template where you can customize with your own header and footer etc. For your email template. So click on next. So let's create a new letterhead here. Here you have to type the name of letterhead label. So if you want to use this letterhead, you have to simply click this checkbox available for use and click save. Now what you have to do, simply here you are having some options where you have to upload logo for your letterhead, and here you see the footer one where you want to upload a logo over there. So for logo one, you have to simply, what you have to do, you have to move into classic. So what I am doing, let's copy the URL and simply paste it in another window, another tab, sorry. So as you see, what we have to do, we have to simply upload our logo etc. what we want to upload. So when you move into the classic one, what you have to do, simply click on this +1, and here you have to search for documents. As you see documents here, what you have to do, simply click on new. First, if you want to create a new folder for your documents, create a new folder. Like I create Salesforce Geek. You have to provide a public read/write access if you want to provide, and this folder is accessible by all users. So currently I am not creating any privacy here, so simply I am making this folder available to use for everyone. Click on save. Now I am going to upload some documents which I am like header and footer for my letterhead. So simply I am click on new document. So here I have to type the document name, let's say header, and as you see there are some options like externally available image. If you want to use this image externally, you have to simply click on this checkbox. So now you have to simply upload your photo. So let's upload a one, as I created a header and footer for my letterhead. Let's say header, and simply click on save button. As you see, like header is already uploaded. Now what we have to do, we have to again upload a footer for our letterhead. Simply click on new and type footer here. again make this externally available image, and now choose your image. So simply I choose footer, which includes a quote, just to make design it beautifully. So here you simply save it. Now our footer and header are uploaded to the documents. Now what we have to do, simply move to classic letterheads, and simply in header we have to click on select logo. So we have to move into Salesforce Geek. Header is in our Salesforce Geek folder, so simply we uploaded the folder from there. Now for the footer one, simply click on select logo, and simply click on simply select another one folder, which is my personal document, because we uploaded footer in this folder. So simply click on footer. So as you see that footer is aligned into leftward. So simply if you want to make any position customization, you have to simply click on edit footer properties. Here what you have to do, simply if you want to give any background color to this, so I prefer black here because my photo is little blackish. So here I choose black. Now what you have to do, simply you have to align your vertical alignment is middle, and horizontal alignment, let's say center. Simply click on OK. So as you see that our footer is already into the middle, and simply for that this, and these are the separators. So if you want to change any color and anything of this line, simply you can change it. Like I don't want any line, so I simply create it white, and same for this one. I also choose the color for this white. Let's say a little one, I'm height in pixels 1, and same for this one. Let's give the pixel 1 here. So as you see that letter is already created, and now what we have to do, we have to simply save this. After saving this, if you want to see the preview, you can also see, and also there is a preview option behind when we creating this email letterhead. So now let's back into the email templates. We have to simply go to quick find and type email templates. So click on classic email templates. Let's create a new template, and here we have to choose HTML using classic letterheads, as we create a letterhead over there. So simply we are going to use second option. Click on next. Here what you have to do, you have to simply choose folder for this email template. Like I'm okay with this this one. Now you have to simply click on this checkbox if you want to use this template over external things. Now what you have to do, simply give the name, let's say thank you template. Now you have to choose the letterhead. As you see, Salesforce Geek thank you email letterhead. Now you have to choose the email layout. For layout options, if you want to see what kind of layouts are there are, so as you simply see free form letter, and if you choose form letter, this will be divided into 3 sections. If you want to use promotion, then this one. So I am okay with free form letter. Now what you have to do, simply click on next. So as you see, let's say I'm minimizing my screens for the better visibility. So as you see, you have to give the subject for this email template. Let's say thank you for connecting, as I'm going to use this email template over my website web to lead form. Now what you have to do, simply type here the content. So simply I use hello. So if you want fields to be dynamic, like suppose Ram is filling the web to lead form over your website, and if you want to personalize the user experience, like you want to send an auto response with the name like hello Ram, then what you have to do, simply you have to choose the respective fields you want to use in your web to lead form. Like I use lead, so I have to use my lead fields over there. Simply what you have to do, simply I am going to use name here. So here is the variable, copy it down and simply paste it there. Now what I have to do, if you want to add any another content for this, so I simply already created a content for this, so I am simply paste it down. So as you see, there are a lot of options like YouTube, Twitter, Telegram. So if you want to convert them into link, simply select the particular option and click here on link option, insert a link option. Now you have to simply provide the channel link, like it's a YouTube, so let's say youtube.com/salesforcegeek. So click on OK. So as you see, this will be converted into the link. Same with Twitter. So as you want, if you want to give any color to particular text, so you can give from here. You have to simply, what you have to do, set color. So I am good with blue. So as you see, color is already changed, Salesforce Geek bold. So as you see, a lock option over there. If you use this, none of your user will be able to change the content of this email template. Now you have to simply provide the subject, like thank you for connecting. Now simply what you have to do, simply preview it. So as you see, like as the thumbnail is in thumbnail, our email template is already ready. Now what we have to do, simply click on next. Here what you have to do, we have to simply click on copy text from HTML version and save this. Now our email template is ready to use, like wherever we want to use this email template, we can use. And for the sake of just, I want to tell you that I am going to use this template in my next video, where I am use this template in auto response rule. Like whenever someone visiting my website, I am going to on contact me tab, and if someone fill out this form, from any details, so the particular user will receive an email like this, hello Shubham. So if I type the name, name will be displayed here, like whatever the name I am filling out in my website here, and in last name. So I hope you enjoy or like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such videos. And thank you so much guys for watching this video till now. Thank you.